Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Once I get started on somebody's design and I start playing with it, I did this one a little bit different. But in the second video that I just did, somebody asked how to draw this. I did not draw it, but I drew this one now. We're going to make it look like that. So what I'm going to do is take an ellipse and put it in the center of the circle. Now, I am going to, and it doesn't really matter what size, I'm going to group all this together because we're going to save some time when we smart fill, so we won't have to smart fill all of them. I'm going to take the smart fill tool, set on that same blue, and I'm going to smart filling every other section. Well, that didn't work out because I want it on the very end. I need to start. I could have made my ellipse a little differently. Make my lip, but it'll be that right there. That might be pretty cool. Now what you can do is take the red smart fill tool or smart fill set on red, and you could do the opposite of the colors. And this is going to give it a pretty neat effect. I'm going to have to zoom in here a little bit. Now you saw that one turned all blue. Sometimes you're going to get that if you got a little bit of a leak. So we're going to go back to blue. And once you've filled that in, you should be able to put it back to blue. Now, if you remember, I grouped everything together so I can just nudge this out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and group this together, Control G. Control D to make a duplicate. Hit the center rotation and put it in the center of our page. And rotate it that magical 90 degrees. And look at that. That's pretty cool, and we didn't even fill in the other colors I could have filled in the other colors. Let's put that on a black background and see what it looks like. Sometimes I think the black really makes it show up. So first of all, wow. I thank that viewer or subscriber that sent me this file asking how to do something, and I took it to the next step. I don't know that you'd ever use that in a logo or print on a t-shirt, but you get the idea on some things that you could do. Hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.